कभी कभी कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती है ना जिनको देख के लगता है कि यार मुझे ये रिव्यू नहीं करना है, एज इन मुझे ये क्रिटिक की नज़र से देखना ही नहीं है। आई जस्ट वांट टू होल्ड दिस फिल्म क्लोज एंड जस्ट enjoy it for what it is. And this is just that kind of film. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Sharma Ji Ki Beti. Written and directed by Tahira Kashyap, this film is everything. It is actually just everything. Itne saalon se we've been talking about representation, and it boils down to the fact that for a long time not everybody has been able to see themselves on screen, and it really kind of hurts. There's of course a very harmful side to being misrepresented on screen or just not seeing yourself on screen, but kabhi kabhi aisa hota hai ki in the most basic sense it's just hurtful to not be able to see anyone like you on screen. And that is why films like these, like Lapata Lady, are just such important films, but also so adorable. I was watching this film and after I finished I had to just sit down with my feels because I just felt like crying, I felt like smiling, I felt like laughing. Every emotion that I have, I wanted to feel for this film. Not that it's without flaws, aisa nahi ki it's just a perfect film or it's like a masterpiece as such. फिल्म का नाम है शर्मा जी की बेटी, सो थोड़ा सा हिंट तो आपको मिल ही गया होगा. इट्स अबाउट थ्री वुमेन who are all surnamed Sharma. There is Kiran, Jyoti and Tanvi, respectively played by Divya Datta, Sakshi Tanwar and Sammy Khair. Now Kiran is a homemaker who's moved to Mumbai from Patiala with her husband and child. Then there is Tanvi, who is an aspiring cricketer. अभी वो state level पे खेल रही हैं and she's dating this guy called Rohan. Then there is Jyoti, जो अपने पति और बच्चे के साथ भी मुंबई में ही रहती हैं, and she is a teacher in a coaching classes and her husband works the evening shift at his job. We not only get to see their lives, we also get a glimpse or actually a very good exploration into the lives of their daughters as well. So it's Sharma ji ki beti and then their betis whose lives are being put under the lens in this film. This film could have gone a lot of ways. They could have tried to do a lot and failed at some of it, maybe failed spectacularly, but the film doesn't. It gives you thoda sa premise, it finds its arcs and it stays committed to them, and the entire time it's centering its women, kind of fearlessly and almost in a very empathetic sense, and that is also why this film is just so warm to watch. Vanshika Taparia and Arista Mehta play Swati and Gurveen, the kids in question, and इन दोनों को हम देखते हैं स्कूल में and they have a very big problem to discuss. Both of them are stressed out because they haven't gotten their periods while everyone else in their class has. Right off the bat, this is a movie that is discussing menstruation completely unabashedly as it should be. But a lot of times ऐसा होता है कि जब फिल्में इन टॉपिक्स को डिस्कस करते हैं, they kind of platform it in the sense that, oh, look at what we're doing, we're discussing this very taboo topic, look how brave we are. And I also like कि ये जो फिल्म है वो अपने जो child characters हैं, it just treats them like individuals. They're never infantilized. ऐसा नहीं है कि ओ ये बच्चे हैं, ये सिर्फ इन्हीं चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे, इन चीज़ों के बारे में तो बात करते ही नहीं होंगे, which is not true. We used to talk about things in school that we probably don't even discuss as adults anymore. And I really like that reality seeps into it. I also like कि जो फिल्म का language है is very natural. You know that these are lived experiences. क्योंकि ऐसी छोटी छोटी बात है of like Swati waking up for school and then just putting a towel on the floor of her washroom and going to sleep. I have never felt this scene in cinema. Maybe not never. No, never. I've never felt this scene in cinema. And then there's Gurveen, who's kind of struggling with the fact that she doesn't like her fringes and just wants to wear her hair a certain way. And just this simple fact becomes so attached to her identity as a person that it almost kind of impresses you कि wow, that is some good attention to detail. जो हमारी main तीन शर्मा जी की बेटियां हैं, and I really like how this title plays out क्योंकि I don't think these are their maiden names. I think the Sharma title has come from their husbands. And I like how the Sharma ji ki beti tag still does get attached to them because that's what their identity now has become. I like how Mumbai as a place has kind of different meanings for all three of them. For Kiran, for instance, Mumbai is suffocating, it's isolating. उनको यहाँ बहुत ही अकेला लगता है. She doesn't understand why everyone is rushing all the time and doesn't just have time to sit down and talk to her. And for Tanvi, on the other hand, Mumbai is freeing, it's freedom, and she's also moved from a small city. So this dichotomy that you see of the city is very interesting. मुझे ये बात बहुत अच्छी लगी कि when we're looking at these characters, none of them are shown as like perfect in their lives. We see that they have flaws. They might react in ways that you perhaps wouldn't in that situation. पर वो characters इतनी अच्छी तरीके से लिखे गए हैं कि you understand why they are acting that way. मुझे ये बात भी बहुत पसंद आई कि we have Kiran's character who has a very vivid imagination, and what would have otherwise seemed kind of cartoonish and caricaturish doesn't, because just again the characterization is so good. Truly taken aback by how good the child actors also are. In a lot of important scenes, ये child actors ऐसे actors के साथ screen पे हैं who have been in the industry for years and yet they don't get overshadowed. They're doing such a good job. Then there is the fact that we have Divya Datta, Sakshi Tanwar, Sayami Khair in the cast. Divya Datta, what a powerhouse of a performance. Her scene perfect hai. There isn't a single emotional arc that she doesn't touch and you're just here feeling everything that she's feeling because she's just such a great actor. And then there's Sakshi Tanwar, I have been watching her since I was a child and she's genuinely one of my favorite actors, so it's so fun to see her on screen again. और इन दोनों का जो chemistry है with the child actors who are playing their daughters is so adorable to watch. This film understands its own emotional hook and that's very difficult क्योंकि recently मैंने जितनी भी फिल्में देखी हैं उसमें शायद screenplay अच्छा हो, acting अच्छा हो, वो जो emotional heft है वो नहीं संभल पाता, यहाँ पे वो हो जाता है.
Just don't give up. Fight.
But like I said, it's not like the film is perfect. कहीं कहीं पे ये होता है कि आप जो स्टोरी का आर्क है किसी कैरेक्टर का वो प्रेडिक्ट कर पाते हो and that is why this whole setup that happens feels kind of dull. Sayami Khair, who is in absolute form as a cricketer, completely wonderful to watch on screen, does kind of fall short in some scenes. Everyone else in the film brings it together. जो side actors हैं उनको neglect नहीं किया गया है. सारे characters का कुछ ना कुछ arc है, even if they're not as fleshed out as the protagonist. But since actors इतने अच्छे हैं, you kind of buy into it. Then there is Sharib Hashmi again as the doting husband who is just in this archetype fitting so well. He's just so cute. He's so adorable. The camera work is also pretty good. इस शो को जरूरत थी एक ऐसे चार्म की जो है ना nostalgic type which you would watch in like I don't know shows like Parvarish on TV and it does that pretty well. It captures everything perfectly. There were parts where I was hoping that the characters would surprise me a little more but that doesn't happen. कहीं कहीं पे लगता है कि we're a little rushed so we could tie up all the loose ends. The background score is not noticeable. And that's not a bad thing. पर इस फिल्म की सबसे खास बात है इसका nuance. जैसे कि जो टॉपिक्स ये डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, for instance menstruation, sexuality, infidelity, marriage, bodily autonomy, all of this is packaged so well. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि they're doing it for the sake of it. They've actually tried to put these messages across. शर्मा जी की बेटी as an experience is just heartwarming. It feels like a hug and honestly you should definitely give this film a watch. It might have its flaws. थोड़ा सा कहीं पे pacing शायद आपको slow लगे but towards the end you will be left wanting for so much more and not in a bad way. And that is why my rating for Sharma Ji Ki Beti is 3.5 stars out of 5.